Here we have a 70-plate BMW X5 M50D. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights. We do have the gloss black front grills and gloss black front splitter as well. With the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side, you can find the side skirts running along the bottom. Now we do also have the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. With the colour-coded door handles, the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We also have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and then the rear spoiler as well, which sits nice and aggressively just there. We do also have 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors and the visual display inside. We also have the M Sport exhaust, dual exit and the rear diffuser. We have the power operated tailgate. We also have the M50D badging just there on the right. Press the button just underneath here, and you find the boot will open just like so. You can also open using the key remote. We then have the bottom half, which can be opened just like so. And as you can see, we do have plenty of space inside of the boot, very large. We also have a partial shelf running across the top. We have hooks as well inside of here. There's a closer look inside. Closing that back up then, we also have a button just up here. Press the button and then the boot will close again just like so. Making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look then at the final alloy wheel before heading on to the interior now. Inside of the back first, you'll find the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre. We have fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents down there for the rear passengers. M Sport style seat belts. We also have the brushable handles, electric windows, ambient lighting on the doors. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, with both front seats being heated and also electrically adjustable. Let's a quick look at both of them. Electric controls just down here. We do also have the memory function as well on the driver's seat. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. We then have the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down here. You can also see the ambient lighting which runs throughout. Automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. You find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button. Vehicle will start up. Now steering wheel is also electrically adjustable, controlled using the stalk just down here, with the cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side, along with the high beam assist on that stalk there, and paddle shifters as well either side. Digital dashboard is free from any warning lights. We do also have the heads up display just up here, if the camera can pick it up. If any screens or lights are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. We have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we go through some of them, we do have the shortcut buttons just down here, so you can click onto media and you'll find the radio stations along with the other media options here on the left hand side. We do have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. And then if we go onto the apps, you'll find we have a few apps that are currently installed. Going onto the main menu, if we go up to car, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting, plenty of colours on here which we can go through. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down from there, you'll find the dual zone climate control for the front passengers. We also have the ice cold air conditioning and the heat seat buttons either side. Further down from there, you'll find we have the cup holders just inside of here. We also have some storage space with the wireless phone charging underneath there as well. Which can be closed just like so. Automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. Press these buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes. You can see we have all these different ones which you can go through. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera along with the 360 view on the right. Put it into drive and it changes to the front facing camera. If you go over to the left, you'll also find the 3D view, where you can go all the way around the vehicle, 360 degrees, and you'll find that each camera angle works just as you would expect it to. So as we make our way all the way around, you can see each angle works. And then if you go over to the car wash view, you'll also find we have a top-down view of the front end. Put it back into the normal parking and put the car into park by pressing P. You then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button and hill descent control, and finally the armrest just here in the centre, which can be opened up for extra storage. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 M50D. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm not defining the steering to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which is also electrically adjustable, controlled using the store controls down here. We also have the paddle shifters either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We also have the cruise control and speed limiter here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons and phone connectivity on the right. Digital dashboard as well in the front of us, which can show different displays that you've seen in the photos. And above there we also have the heads-up display. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system as well, which really does sound incredible. We have the full leather seats, which are really comfortable. Can easily do 2, 3, with 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, it's also perfect for them at cold winter mornings. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav. Again, has plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. Below there we have the button just for the intelligent safety system, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the ambient lighting as well, which runs all throughout, really makes the interior a nice place to be. We then have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes as well. We are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we've got our right indicator on. We're going to slow down. We're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen along with the 360 view. Into drive, change to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with what some requires of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.